3 great digital marketing tips to increase your online presence. It seems like every year, there are new tips and tricks to keep track of when it comes to internet marketing, and how to make the most of it. It's easy to start out each year with specific goals in mind for your business, but as things change, your goals should adapt. And if your business has been using the same strategies for several years, it's definitely time for an upgrade. But why would someone keep coming back to your site if they'll only find the exact same content, time and time again? If you've had a website for several years, there is definitely some good news involved. Not only should you make sure all the information on your site is accurate, such as location, hours of operation, etc., but you can really boost your SEO power by adding more fresh content consistently. If you have a website, there's a good chance you have an active social media presence. Social media can be just as effective as a search engine when it comes to getting people to your website. The great thing about social media is that once you've targeted that audience, not only can you get them to your website, but you can interact with them.